Say hi, bear.
Hi there.
Want to give the bear a hug?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Nothing. We need to start vlogging or we're not vlogging enough.
I know. Do you want a treat? You had enough?
Say hi, bear.
Hi there.
Want to give the bear a hug?
Yeah. Look at the bear.
Is that a nice bear?
Yeah.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
Who is that bear?
It's Jarrin.
It's not Jarrin.
It's saying hi.
It's saying hi to you?
Yeah.
That's a nice bear, huh? Is that funny?
Nope. Can I be the bear?
No, you're too little.
Can I be the bear, Mom?
Rustin, you almost just fell. You better be careful.
Mom, can I be the bear? Hi.
Addie's trying on her costume for a readathon tomorrow. She gets to be in the readathon with her dad. Are you excited about tomorrow?
Sure.
I was talking to her about it earlier. That's why.
Oh.
Hey, put the bear away. Why did you guys bring it up here again?
Put it back downstairs.
Go put it downstairs.
He's got a cone.
Did you think I was gonna be scared?
You were supposed to yell at him and be like, guys, come on. But you didn't say anything. Just so you all know, my kids have an awesome dad. What are you doing this morning?
Going to Addie's second grade class to read Officer Buckle and Gloria to them.
In front of the whole second grade, not just Addie's class, on stage. And there's a dog in the story, and Addie gets to dress up as the dog and do tricks. She's pretty excited. Bobby got asked a month ago. I don't know if he's stressed out about it or not, but Addie's been excited. That's all she's been talking about. So we have to go pick up the boys from school because they want to watch, and then go watch Bobby do his thing. This one's grouchy this morning.
Dear Duncan, I want to talk to you with big whiner. Anyway, could you please
Hi, everybody.
For the purpose of today, my name is Officer Buckle, okay? And I'm going to read you a story about me and my dog, Gloria. Officer Buckle knows more safety tips than anyone in Knappville. I'm the man, so you know. One day, Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students of Knappville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes there was snoring in the crowd. Kids falling asleep. Then one day, Knappville's police department bought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give a safety speech at the school, Gloria went along with him. Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit. And Gloria sat. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. What are you all laughing at? It's not funny. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. Good dog. Still sitting down like a good dog. Never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it. So funny. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from students at Knappville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawing showed a lot of imagination. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper, and it said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend Claire. I always wear a crash helmet. Safety tip number 7. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for an ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having his buddy with him. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during an electrical storm. The students jumped to their feet and applauded. Bravo, bravo, they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. The next day, the principal of Knappville School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech. I'm not giving any more safety speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway. They only look at Gloria. Oh, Mrs. Topple said. Well, how about Gloria? Could she come? Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school. Gloria sat on stage looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left, Knappville School had its biggest accident ever. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. P.S. Don't worry, I was wearing my safety helmet. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Safety tip number 101. Always stick with your buddy. You gonna bow? You gonna bow?
Jarrin's birthday is on Sunday, so we are taking snacks to his class today, and the crazy boy asked for popsicles. Oh well, he always has to be his own kid, right? So popsicles it is.
Can I have popsicles?
Yeah, you can have one of the ones after we get Jarrin his popsicles, okay? Should we go in and get popsicles?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Can Mason have popsicle?
Yeah, we'll get enough.
Okay.
Costa Divas again. It's been a couple weeks since I've been here, but I am meeting a friend for lunch. I did her senior pictures, and then she went on to LDS mission, and I did pictures for that, and then she came home and got married, and I did her wedding. And I haven't seen her in a while, so we are meeting for lunch. I'm excited to see her. Her name's Kendall.
Mom,
What, babe?
can I go inside?
Yeah, you want to go have lunch with me and Kendall?
Yeah.
Yeah? What you doing?
Playing the robot game.
Hi!
Hi.
What are you doing?
Playing, watching a clown.
Oh, yeah? Do I have stuff in my teeth?
Yeah.
Who's that?
What is her name?
That's Kendall. Who's that?
Emma.
No. Do you remember my name? What's her name?
Her name. Emma.
Kendall.
Emma.
Kendall.
Emma.
Kendall. I have it turned off.
Hi. Catch you later. Good night.
You didn't even do it. You totally missed.
again for watching. Catch you later. Good night.